This is how you place a order on Deribit. I'm going to show you everything from the take profit, stop loss. Let's go to the chart, guys. All right, so I'm at the trading view first. We gained this level right here. So I'm interested in the long here. So let's go quickly to Deribit before we miss the trade opportunity. Let's fine tune it here. All right. We got a $2,000 account, so we are allowed to lose $20. 96175 for the order. Always use a stop loss. We use a limit order. Stop loss 95662. 95662. We are allowed, this is a $90 stop loss, that's too much, so we are allowed to trade 4,000 contracts. So, because we got a $2,000 account, we are allowed to risk 1% of the account, so that's around $20. So, start the position right here. Okay, let's wait till we get filled. If we don't get filled, I will update you. If we do get filled, you also get an update. So we got filled on the Bitcoin long position. Let's show you what to do next on Deribit. All right, we got filled. What to do next? So we are going to place our TPs, stop loss off. Order reduce, very important. If you don't use reduce, it will just make a new order. So reduce. The amount is 4,000 contracts we traded with. So my first take profit will be around this area. Why it's at this area? Because of this price action right here. So 96729. 96729. Make sure it is on it's fine like this, I think. So not the whole position, we only do 2,000. We close half the position. Why so much? Because we want to de-risk it as fast as possible. So another take profit at this area. Why? Because this is also resistance. So 97179. 97179. I'm going to do a little less, 1,000. So okay, and one more right here. Because also resistance, we want to de-risk. Not de-risk, but 1.8 is very nice for the last 500 contracts. I'm going to do 97870. 70 for 500. So we got 500 left. What do we do with the 500 we got left? Well, there's a long road up. We see the price can go up a lot more, so we just leave the 500 left. The price is going to my stop loss now. You see, it doesn't matter what happens because the trade is right. So it either is good or not. Just it hits the stop loss or it hits the take profit. So when do we move the stop loss to our entry or maybe a little bit below it? It's very important, in my opinion. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart to show it right here. If we gain this, I will put my stop loss to my entry and be safe and just see what happens. Okay, guys, that's how you place an order on Deribit with a stop loss, with take profits. Follow the steps, and it's just that easy. Go play the trades. Do it. You need to put in the work. I don't care if this trade gets stopped out or not. I mean, it doesn't matter, because if you make the right choices over and over again, on the long term, you will make money. You only need to be right 50% of the time. So half of the trades will be losing trades and other half will be winning trades, but you will earn a lot of money doing that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.